Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of Joyroom's wired earphones that you can currently buy from Amazon. I will put the link in the description, and these are very cheap compared to other earphones, and the quality is also great, and these are original. There is no fake version available currently on Amazon especially. So the link will be in the description if you want to buy these original, and I believe there is no copy version of these because previously I did a video comparing Joyroom T03s between original and fake version. So let's hope these are not the fake one. So let me just quickly unbox this. And I bought these for my Steam Deck OLED. As you can see, the packaging looks really good, and you can get this for 19 Saudi Riyals. So here's a pouch. Let me just quickly see what's inside it. I believe it's a carrying case for your earphones. So let me put that to the side, and here are our earphones, and the quality looks really nice, as you can see. So it also has microphone in it, and volume up and down keys. Looks very nice. And I believe you can get this in Type C, but I have the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is in the Steam Deck OLED. So yeah, looks very good, and looks very similar to the Apple earbuds. So yeah, quality wise and in this price range, I'm really not complaining. Looks very good. And the cable length is also great. Here is the mute switch key, which you can toggle on and off. Now, I believe it is a volume level. I'm not 100% sure, so let me just quickly see. So guys, after using these, I 100% recommend you to purchase these because the sound quality is great, and these are for adjusting volume. So you can adjust the volume by sliding up and down, and really the build quality is great, guys. In this price range, I 100% recommend you to get these. I will put the link in the description. You can buy this from Amazon, and these are the original Joyroom earphones. So let me know in the comments down below if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. Allah Hafiz.